there, this is Mrs. Ross, and we are creating a digital sticker book. In this video, I will show you how to remix my code, and then I'm going to help you delete my stickers and display your own. So to get started, you'll want to access my code, which is linked in the video description. And when you click on that link, you'll get to a web page that looks similar to this. And at the bottom, you're going to look for the View Code option. It's in this kind of gray footer bar. So we're going to select View Code. And what we want to do from here is remix this code. So go ahead and select Remix. And what this action does is it will save a copy of my code to your projects in code.org. So now you can edit this code. So to find this, again, it's located in the project section of code.org. So the next step is this is now your code, and you're going to delete my 3 sticker designs. So on the left, there's the files. So we're going to just go through sticker 1, 2, and 3 and delete each of those by right-clicking and deleting. If you are on a trackpad, to right-click, you'll just do the double finger tap. Okay, so we just deleted stickers 1, 2, and 3. So then the next step is you want to upload your own sticker designs. To do that, we're going to go up to Add Image, and we're going to add these one at a time. So select Upload File, and just keep uploading until you have the 3 sticker designs that you want to display. Okay, and then you'll know that they're uploaded when you see the 3 in your assets, and then you're going to exit out of that. And when that happens, it looks like the code disappears, but to get the code back, we go to index.html, and you'll see it appear again. Okay, so then next, you'll notice that your stickers aren't showing. The reason why is because the file names at left need to match the file name in the image source code. However, they're not right now. So to fix that problem, we're actually going to change the file name in the files at left. So I'm going to do the same thing as earlier with the right click, but this time we're going to rename it. And we're just going to rename the sticker-01, and you'll see that the sticker should be appearing. Okay, so then the next one, we know that this file name is sticker-02. So sticker-02, and then it looks like it did something. There we go. And then the last one, sticker-03. Okay, and that is also displaying as well. Okay, you can also view larger on the right side. You can see them all displayed next to each other at once. So then the last step is we still need to change this alt text because sticker 1, we have the correct image source. However, this alt text probably doesn't match up with what you've uploaded. So go through and change each of those. So I'm going to name mine, we'll do drop shadow trees, and then for my second one, we'll call this a neon sunset cat. And then the third one, we'll call this hello. Okay, and so now each of your stickers should be displaying with the appropriate alternate text that matches just a brief description of what your sticker is. And that does it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have fun remixing your website.